Hey guys, are you ever running low on time or just plain old having a bad hair day? Well, I got the style for you. So what I do is I spray my hair down with some little bit of water and olive oil. Then I add my moisturizer. And then I put a good amount because you know they be playing when they say use a dime size amount. I got too much hair. And then I part it. I like my parts on the side just because it fits my face better. But whatever fits you, you do you. And then I use my favorite gel, my Eco Styler. Just slick that down, slick down all them edges, girl. Just get it really smooth. And you brush it back into a ponytail. And then from there, you make it a tight knot. So when I put my scarf on, I fold it, and then I flip it, and so that the folded side's on the inside. And then I tie it under my bun, and then I grab from opposite ends just so it's tight enough. And then I kind of push it back so I can show my edges and a little bit of my hair. And then I wrap it, and then I tuck it. Then I do the same for the other side. And I tuck it. And then those little ends that kind of hang off, you just kind of, you keep tucking until you're done. And then I put my little gel on with my little toothbrush. And get them edges slick, get them baby hairs popping. Ooh, girl, I was feeling myself. And then I put my scarf back on just so that my baby hairs can kind of dry a little bit and dry flat. And then, so I'm going to show you guys my makeup routine that I do. It's usually like, I don't really wear that much makeup, so it's usually something really quick. So I'm going to start off with my lip. And I'm using my Cork lip liner from MAC. And I love this brown, guys. I love it. And then I use my Bronx lip. And I put a little bit on there. And then I put a little bit of lip gloss on there. And just kind of smack it. And then I put my little contour on and I blend it. Just on my nose. And then I have a mineral brush. I don't use full coverage makeup or foundation, so sometimes if I want a little extra shine, I'll add this on my face. Look at them baby hairs. Slick. Guys, I was feeling myself.